Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arthur Chitsinde. I'm an undergraduate student at Midland State University. I am undertaking a degree in Information, Communication and Technology. Today my lesson is on computer types. I am going to explore the various types of computers. The first computer that we have is the desk computer. A desk computer is a tower computer designed for personal or professional use. It has powerful processors, large storage, and can be customized. We also have a laptop as a type of a computer. A laptop is a portable computer. It is all-in-one computer. It is compact and battery powered and convenient. Another type of computer is a tablet. A tablet is a touchscreen computer with a mobile operating system. We also have servers. Servers are high performance computers for data storage and management. Another type of computers is supercomputers, high speed computers for complex calculations and simulations. We also have mainframes, which are large-scale computers for enterprise-level data processing. In conclusion, I can say computers come in various shapes, sizes, and purposes. Understanding computer types helps us appreciate their impact on our lives. Thank you very much for watching and listening. Meet again next time on this channel.